Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my traditional Balinese fruit salad with spicy tamarind and palm sugar dressing, or in Balinese we call it rujak or lodeh. So for the dressing later, here I have some Balinese tamarind paste, or in Bali we call it luna. The black color from luna comes naturally from the process of making it. It's very sour and all the stones are removed. If you don't want or don't have tamarind paste, you don't have to use it. And also later, I'm using 60 grams of palm sugar, some fresh water, a quarter teaspoon of shrimp paste, salt, 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste, and 2 pieces of Bali hot pepper. First, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of fresh water to tamarind paste. For the fruit I'm using later, here I have some guava, rose apple, jicama, pineapple, and young mango. All the fruit I use today is locally grown. And also you can use different kind of fruits such as papaya, honeydew melon, cucumber, and apple. The first thing I'm going to do is prepare the dressing. For the shrimp paste, I'm going to grill it first for 5 to 10 seconds. This is add a slightly smoky flavor to the rujak. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and the chilies. If you want to add more chili or less chili is absolutely up to you. Grind it. I'm using mortar and pestle. If you want to use blender, it's absolutely fine too. But honestly, it's better taste to use the mortar and pestle. Add the palm sugar and the tamarind paste. Mix it well. Honestly, my mouth starts watering when I smell this tamarind paste mixed with palm sugar. Let's put it aside. So now we're going to cutting the fruit. I start with mango. I cut it in the size that finger can easy to hold it. And now the guava. And rose apple. Remove the stone. And jicama. And the last one, pineapple. Here we are, traditional Balinese fruit salad. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I will see you in my next video. Matur suksema, bye-bye!